everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Jewel Obed. I'm a counseling psychology student and I'm also passionate about cooking, so I share different recipes that I prepare in my kitchen. And today we are going to make a very simple, delicious meal that you're all familiar with, noodles or Indomie. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. You will just need 3 ingredients: Indomie, onions and tomatoes. First up, you're going to prepare your ingredients. So I cut my onions and I blended my tomatoes. Then the cooking is going to begin. Add some oil to your sufuria. Then you will add the onions till golden brown. Then you add your tomatoes. You'll stir and then add water. If it's cold, let it boil like this. Then just add enough water. If it's not enough, you can add it still again. There is our Indomie that we're going to be cooking today. I used 2 packets of chicken flavored Indomie. Once the water is boiled like that, add your spices. I don't use chili, I just use the bumbu sauce. Then add your Indomie. Let it cook and for 3 to 5 minutes and you'll be good to go.